Just listen, look and see. The image sets the spirit free. Bird-headed shadows dance on the wall. Not just a sound, but a vision of all. Read the feather, read the eye. Magic written across the sky. The eye opens, the bird flies.